Now let's learn how to use Linkus on a mobile phone. This is your YayStar Linkus mobile login screen. This is where we will fill in your Linkus credentials. If you receive the Linkus login details on your computer, you can choose to log into Linkus via the QR code. Tap the QR code icon on the upper right corner and scan the code to log in. The QR code and login link are only valid for 24 hours and can only be used once. Now let's take a look at the interface of the Linkus mobile application. This is the call log. This is the information of all the calls that you've made and that you've received. This is the voicemail tab. This will show you all the voicemails that you received on your extension. The recording tab displays all the recordings that you selected during a call. Tapping on the directory button at the bottom will display all our colleagues' extensions. If they chose to edit the extensions, you will see their names and their profile pics. If we tap on phone at the top, this will show all the contacts that are currently stored on your phone. If we tap on contacts, this will display all the company contacts. You can also edit your profile by tapping the blank profile pic on the top left corner of the screen. From personal information, you'll be able to edit your profile pic. You will have the option to choose an existing profile pic or take a new one. Be sure to add your name, mobile number and email address for everyone in your company to see. In Linkus Mobile, we will also have the ability to edit our presence. Tap on Current Presence, and here we will see Available, Away, Do Not Disturb, Lunch Break and Business Trip, all of which have different rules, and we are able to apply these rules by clicking on the three dots on the right. Let's select Available. So from what we see here, my call forwarding is currently disabled, but in the event that I do not answer my extension, the calls will go through to my voicemail. If I'm busy on a call, my call will also go through to a voicemail. And it's currently set to ring on my Linkus desktop client as the first device. There is currently no second device selected, but I can select Linkus Mobile, so that if I do not answer the call on my Linkus desktop client, it will ring on my Linkus mobile client. Let's tap on Settings. Let's tap on Audio Options. During your experience, if you feel that the audio is not good when you hear the client, or if they are having trouble hearing you, you are able to adjust your audio settings via the audio gain control. At the moment, for audio received is set on 0, and for audio transmitted it's also set on 0 as the default setting. But if you feel the need to increase the audio, you can slide it all the way to the right. The same can be done with audio transmitted in case they can't hear you. Let's tap on Advanced. From here you'll be able to set the call waiting, the codecs, as well as to set your application to run in the background by selecting background mode. If you feel that you want to close the application or log out, you'll just tap on log out. Remember, your details will still remain in the application, so if you feel like logging back in, just tap on login. Now let's learn how to do an outbound call. Let's start by tapping the blue dial pad icon on the bottom right corner. Let's dial the number. And tap the blue dial icon. Now that the call has been answered, we've got a series of options. We've got hold, we've got record. This will record the call and store it on Linkus. From here we are able to turn on speakerphone. We can mute our microphone as well. We can also do a transfer, attended and blind. Let's start by doing a blind transfer. By doing a blind transfer, you will immediately transfer the caller to the selected extension, as well as you can transfer to a different mobile number or landline number. You will do an attended transfer if you want to screen the call first before transferring through to the respective extension or contact. You will do this by pressing the attended transfer button. The caller will then go on hold, then dial the extension or contact of the person you wish to transfer to and dial. After the person answers the call, you can find out whether they are available to take the call. If the answer is yes, you will finish by pressing transfer. If the answer is no, you will press cancel and you will return back to the caller. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it out and enjoy the Linkers experience.